This is over off of Springs. This is space 222. I'm gonna show you a quick tour here. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 576 approximately square footage. This is a single wide mobile home, but it's actually nicely updated throughout. We have our first bedroom here. On the hall here we have our bathroom. That's nicely updated as well. The main bedroom back here, which has good space as well. And again, this is the front portion of the home. This is our little living area that we have. You can do like a little small table for dining. And this is our kind of kitchen. Not kind of our kitchen. This is the kitchen area. And then over here, they have the washer and dryer hooks, but well too, next to the fridge. So it's just another option to kind of share with you, give you an idea. But this is over off Springs.